Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable automatic updates in Windows 11. Now if say for example your Windows has not been updating for quite a while and you wish to update this for security reasons, I'm going to show you how to do that. First things first, I want you to go ahead and hit the Windows icon on your keyboard and type here services. You're going to go ahead and open this one right here. Now click any here and then type a W. It's gonna jump to all of the W services. Now what we're looking for is service or Windows Update. Go ahead and click this one. Now here is the way for you to tell that this is not working. Service status is currently stopped, so we're gonna have to enable that one. And the way to do that is clicking this one using automatic and then hit apply, and after that you should be able to see here service status. Go ahead and click the start button right here, and then here in the recovery first failure, make sure that this is set to restart the service and then hit apply. And once that's done, go ahead and hit apply. This time, right click and you should see that now it is starting because the start button is grayed out here. Last thing, hit refresh and you are good to go. And that, everybody, is how you are going to enable automatic updates in Windows 11.